So ayan, I'm on my way to London to TLS Contact Center to apply for Schengen visa because we are going to Germany. So I just finished my application for Schengen visa. Oh my god, napaka-stressful guys. Mas stressful pa siya nung nag-apply ako ng UK spouse visa or UK visa for that matter. As in, although nag-apply naman ako ng Schengen before sa Netherlands, ang dali-dali lang. Samantala ngayon, oh my god, my appointment was 11 and I finished at 3. Gosh. Super stressful talaga. Kasi may pahabol pa silang documents na we didn't expect na hingin nila. So, ayun. Right now, I'm just waiting for antay lang ako sa driver para sunduin ako. Ayan. Oh my god. I hope that it will be alright. Sapat na yung mga documents ko. And I'm gonna get the Schengen visa. Kasi it's hard. I've never been stressed sa pag-apply ng visa. Well, that's not true. First time first time kong nag-apply, that was 2011. Gosh, 2011, nung hindi ko pa talaga alam. So, ayun, medyo mahirap din nung una. Pero, ito, stressful talaga ito. Anyway, hanapin ko lang nasaan ba siya. See you guys later. Hello! Kamusta po ang lahat? So, I have a mail here from the Visa Processing Center. So, tingnan natin kung ano kaya yung resulta ng ating application. Kasi I applied for a Schengen visa last week, Wednesday, on the 19th. And here's my passport. Ayan. Tingnan natin. Fingers crossed, na-approve siya. And mahaba-haba yung validity. Yes! Thank you, God! Mayroon nga. Until, paano ba to? Wow! Wait! 6 months. But at least, approve siya. Thank God. Yeah. So, this is my second na Schengen visa kasi nakapag-Schengen visa na ako before for Netherlands. And this one, ayan. Thank God. So, super dali lang ng processing, guys. I mean, madali siya in a way that from the day na submit ng aking application, that was 19th and then ngayon is 25. So, except natin yung Saturday and Sunday kasi wala atang working days, diba? So, Thursday, Friday, Monday, Tuesday, tapos Wednesday ngayon. So, ang dali lang. Sobrang dali lang niya talaga. Yun nga lang, nung pag-process, nagpag-submit ko ng application, madaming tao, busy sila. Ang haba ng processing time. Umabot ako ng 4 hours doon kasi may pinapahabol pa silang documents sa akin. So, ayan, at least worth it yung pag-travel natin to London. Kasi sa London ako nag-apply. 3 hours din yung travel, punta doon, tapos 3 hours back. So, that was a long day for me. I left here 8 o'clock, tapos nauwi ako past 6 na in the evening. So, ayan. Thank God, and we'll be traveling soon. You might be wondering, bakit kailangan ko na Schengen visa although andito na ako sa UK? It's because Philippine passport pa rin kasi ako. Resident ako dito, pero Philippine passport pa ako. So, that means kailangan ko pang Schengen visa papunta sa ibang countries sa Europe. So, that's why nag-apply ako. Because we'll be visiting my sister in Germany. Ayun lang guys. Thank you for watching. Bye!